another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at ratios and how you can solve any problem involving ratios. Firstly, what exactly is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison between two values and it shows how one quantity relates to the other. Ratios are written using a colon. For example, here we have an illustration that represents 2 apples and 3 bananas. So the ratio we could say is that the ratio of apples to bananas is 2 to 3. Now, ratios can also be simplified, and they are usually expressed in their simplest form, and they are simplified the same way you would simplify fractions. So, for example, let's say we have the ratio 27 to 36. The first thing you have to do is find the greatest common factor between the two values in the ratio. So, if you would look here, the greatest number that both 27 and 36 can be divided by are 9. So, the greatest common factor are 9. Now, what you have to do is you have to divide the two numbers in the ratio by the greatest common factor. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3, and 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4. So the ratio can be simplified as 3 to 4. Now, let's take a look at a real-life example that involved ratios. Here we have the problem. You are making fruit punch for a party. The recipe has 2 cups of pineapple juice for every 3 cups of orange juice. If you want to use 8 cups of pineapple juice, how many cups of orange juice should you use? The first thing you want to do is you can model the situation using ratios. So the original ratio of pineapple juice to orange juice is 2 to 3, and the new ratio of pineapple juice to orange juice that we need to make is 8, because there's 8 cups of pineapple juice, to x, since we don't know how many cups of orange juice to use right now. So what you want to do now is you can create an equation. So we can write that 2 to the 3 is equal to 8 to the x, and we need to figure out what the value of x is. So if you would look here, we learned that whenever you multiply or divide a ratio by the same number, then the ratio remains equal. So in order to make this 2 and 8, we can multiply 2 to the 3 by 4. So 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So that means that x is equal to 12, since we can replace the 12 with x. So that means that if you want to use 8 cups of pineapple juice in the recipe, you must use 12 cups of orange juice. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.